You have driven up to a mountainous cliff to spend your weekend getaway. You stayed over there for a night, completely disconnected. Next morning, you get into your car, take out your phone to enter navigation, but the mobile network says no connection. You tried again. You try to restart your phone, but the mobile network says no connection. Suddenly, your only lifeline to the outside world is a crumbled piece of paper, a pen, and roll down your window to ask local farmer which dirt road leads to the highway. Today, I want to talk about how GPS maps are actually work, how they are built, and what is the current situation of them. To understand how we get map, first we need to look up. Right now, there is a constellation of over more than 30 satellites revolving around Earth orbit. What people think that their phones send signal to satellite, but it's completely wrong. It's a one-way street. Those satellites are just giant, precisely calculate the time. Your phone listen to at least 4 of them. It calculates how many milliseconds it requires for each of them to travel back to Earth. With that mathematics of time, it calculates exactly where you are standing on Earth. But this civilian lifesaver actually wasn't developed for us. It was developed in 1970 by the US military. They intentionally degrade the signal of the GPS for the local people so that the GPS cannot show a proper location more than 100 meters. But in 2000, the US government completely changed the policy and opened for the normal people or the local public. The moment US government removes the restriction on GPS and made it available for the local people, the tech industry exploded, making it a competition for the private sector like Apple, Google, whoever gonna develop it first and more precisely for the local people with numerous feature will capture the market. So you will ask what's the update on GPS? So in April 2026, few months back, they have launched GPS 3. It is a block of 10 satellites which will gonna help us in the future like which route is the fastest route, which traffic signal has a red light, and what's the time going on, whether you're gonna stay it for a long or within a 10 second you will move. So the next time the Google Map says or Apple Map says you to take a legal U-turn or saves you from a heavy traffic of a highway. So remember what's happened behind the scene. It took 50 years of military service, a global network of international satellite, and math calculated at speed of light just to make sure that you never miss an exit.